DJ's Pristine Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Nissan Juke. It's a beautiful metallic blue colour, alloy wheels. It's got privacy glass to the back. It's quite high spec on this one. Nice rear diffuser. You can see, really nice striking car, well above average for its age and mileage. Boot area is in lovely condition. Seats in lovely condition, some carpet mats, electric windows, centre armrest, electric mirrors, traction control. Just start the car up. It's got cruise control as well. Starts up and sounds lovely. As you can see, it's got satellite navigation, reverse camera, Bluetooth connectivity. It's only done 47,951 miles. Nice low mileage, climate control, 6-speed gearbox, centre armrest there, aux and a USB. At DJH we have full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.